Ever wonder how to compare two things in English? When something is little, we say it is smaller. When something is large, we say it is bigger. The secret's simple. Just add er to the end of short adjectives. Take the word fast, add those two magic letters, and it becomes faster. Sometimes spelling changes, like dropping a Y for an IER in happier. When it's a long pencil or a longer one, the rule stays the same. It makes comparing weight, size, or speed easy and clear. So remember, the dog is faster than the cat. It's that simple. You're now a pro at comparative adjectives. Subscribe for more grammar hacks.